Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, I'll show you on how you can pause at a layer in PrusaSlicer. Now this is going to be extremely simple, so let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is to import your model onto PrusaSlicer, and basically inside this page, just navigate through the preview button. It's going to be this specific button on your PrusaSlicer. From here, we have the 3D editor view, and of course, we have the preview. By default, you can also press Ctrl 6 on your keyboard, and basically it will then take us to the layers of our model. Now, you then want to use this side bar in order to preview your model layer by layer. So you then want to navigate through a layer that you want to add a pause into. So in my case, I'm going to add a pause to this specific part. So I'll just right click on it and basically this will show up. Just click on the add pause option, click on the OK button, and basically from there, it will then add this icon called the pause print option. Now, of course, you can add multiple pauses if you want to. So to demonstrate, let's just add another pause right here. And from there, you have successfully added a pause in PrusaSlicer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.